Hey, hello everybody. I'm gonna show you some cool stuff. Yesterday I was on a very awesome balloon jamming with balloon friends from Bling Bling Jam balloon convention, and it was amazing. All the beautiful things we learned and we practiced and we were twisting. Let's see if you can guess what is the concept of this cool witch and princess, something like very cool for a movie Wicked. Wicked, yes. And some Valentine's ideas and some cool concepts like this car. And this bee, so cute for, it can be for any occasion, but the idea is Valentine's is coming, so we were practicing ideas for Valentine's. And also the Super Bowl, so we have some very cool concepts for the trophy and very cool ideas for one balloon design. Look at this cool. I love it. I love it. It was fantastic. What the Bling Bling Jam Zoom meeting? It was the first one of the year for January. We have lots of designs and ideas and concepts. And that's why I want to invite you, all of you, for Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention. It's not just the balloon convention regular that you go for 5 days in Las Vegas from November 8th to November 12th. When you register to this convention, Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention, you also receive invitations for a Zoom meeting once a month. It's approximately 2 hours each Zoom meeting, and we always jamming and practicing, and we kind of like learn more of what is coming for the next month. For example, this, right? For example, for Valentine's. And it's not just balloons, it's also entertainment. So you learn how to interact, creating designs for your future guests. So consider it, join Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention. It's coming on November, from November 8th to November 12th. That is the main days for the convention in Las Vegas. But as soon as you registered, and registrations are open right now, go to the website. Registered is the best pricing. I think it's super worth it, because what you pay for this convention covers also coaching for a whole year pretty much. So trying to join it, because that way you can also get the link of what it was the replay for this past Zoom meeting that it was yesterday, and what is coming next and next and next, because it's happening each month, these Zoom meetings. And you receive also the link for the replays in case you cannot make it in person. So every time it's coming a Zoom meeting, you will have the invitation. I hope you can make it there. So we all are there chatting and looking at each other, twisting balloons, having an awesome time. And in case you cannot make it, you will receive the link. And the same for all the classes that will happen during the days of between November 8th to November 12th in Las Vegas. Those are the main days of the convention. It's competition, parades, party time, balloon workshops, balloon decor, deco twisting, balloon twisting, a lot of things going on. So maybe you cannot make it to all the classes, but don't worry, because all the classes will be recorded. And also, later you will have access to all those videos. So in case you cannot make it even in person to Las Vegas, you will have also the videos. So that is the best part about this convention, that you will have all the content for you to watch it anytime or watch it again and again and again. And you just have a wonderful time with people that we love balloons. We just like to share and connect with this wonderful what is the magic of balloon twisting. We are there having an awesome time. So I hope you can make it. That is my invitation. I hope you make it even for the next Zoom meeting. See you there. Or see you also on my YouTube channel. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Lady Balloons. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.